How to find someone you played with on Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide and this is quite easy to follow. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to google.com and you want to go ahead and search restore old Roblox server list. You want to get this specific Chrome extension right here. Go ahead and click on your add to browser, click add extension, and from here you can just go ahead and go back to the Roblox website. Right after, go ahead and open up the extension that we have installed. Click on the auto search servers from page. You can just go ahead and modify this the way you want to. You have your descending player count, or if you know the username of that friend you have play with, it's much better and you'll be able to find them easier. Just head over to the game that you play with together. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the arsenal as an example, and once inside you want to scroll down and you want to click on servers. Now inside servers, it will then go ahead and look something like this. You can just go ahead and basically find their username if you don't know their name on the Roblox server list right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.